welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to create a business Google account. So right now let's just dive into it straight. Now looking at it, I would have liked to use a Princetube to download or create this, but why I'm going to use this is because I want something sharp and fast. So right now you go to your Gmail, click on it, click on the image on the top, understand? Just go click on it, click on the image on the top, and then just arrive here, something like this. Let me just do it so that you see it, something risky. Just click on your email, click on the image on the top, then click on manage account or add another account. Click on add another account, then you just click on this place, this Google. Click on Google. Then they will be asking for verification to verify that you are the owner. I'm using my fingerprint. I've done that already. So you can use your password, you can use your pattern, your any of them. Then you can use your fingerprint. So right now just click. We're creating a new account, so we're clicking on create account. If you have an account already, you can just sign it in, but I'm creating a new one. So right now you see they say for self and to manage business, so you click on to manage business. We are creating for business. So you click on this, it opens up here. Then they ask for your name. So they're like, okay, Princetube Media, Princetube. Then click on media. Okay, you click on next. Once you are done, you click on next. Then your date of birth, please make sure it is valid, like it is correct. Understand? Make sure your date of birth is correct. Okay. Email, you are a male. Don't tell them you are a female while you are a male. So right now they have suggested for us, they said princetube@gmail.com, mediaprincetube@gmail.com. If you don't like this, you can just click on this place that says create your own Gmail account. You can create your own. That's the way you want. If you want it to be Princetube Media 2005@gmail.com, but I like it this way. I don't want stress. I don't want anything like number, so I'm choosing this so that I'll just have it upstairs. So you click on this button here that says next. So you click on next. So once it opens up, you put your password. I have my password with me, so I'll just paste my password, and that is it. So paste my password. So click on next. Click on next. Now they ask you to put in your phone number 0906531620. Okay, that's my phone number. You just put it in. Okay, they will send you a code, so I just want the code to automatically come in. So once the code comes in, it will just sign in. You see it have moved in, and here we are. You see they say next. Click on next. Good and fine. You scroll up and click on agree. That means you agree to all these policies, so make sure you read it before agreeing, so that you even know what the policy is talking about. So that you click on agree, and it will just load and sign you back your. So right now when you click on it, you see that everything is loaded here. See that okay, you see it here, look at it here. See, we have it, Princetube Media@gmail.com. So that is it. So thank you, and that is how to do it. So go right now and implement. So if you like this channel, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget, give good comments down below so that YouTube can share this video and show it to people out there that need it a lot. Thank you, and see you in the next video.